Dimensions Tents and Structures has been sheltering important human events since 2009. Covering every outdoor situation, our low-impact Bedouin-style stretch tents are malleable and modular, with a touch of the magical. Perfect for every event, these tented structures create intimate, weatherproof cocoons of comfort. From fabric and wood to steel and cement, complex architecture to outdoor luxuries, we bring comfort to the great outdoors. Tested and developed in the Cape of Storms with clients in over 30 countries, our tents are made to endure the elements. With exceptional textiles and exquisite workmanship, Dimensions brings cutting-edge technology and expertise to every project. Dimensions Tents and Structures. Unrivaled quality.